Hi everyone, this is Cecilia from the Computational Photography class. This is a short video for my midterm project on seam carving to resize image. I am going to present something interesting I found when implementing width expansion. In my first implementation, I found all K-seams altogether according to the 2007 paper, and stored them in a single mask. Then I shifted each pixel by the number of seams passing through it and passing before it. But this led to stretching because of crossover seams, and I shifted all of them with the same RGB value. So I read through papers and Piazza posts and found that seam crossover is the main reason for stretching. Trying to resolve this issue, I stored all seams and their colors when finding them by removal. Before adding them, I also shifted all indices to fit the final image. Then I plugged in the saved RGB values to the corresponding indices seam by seam. The good news is that seams doesn't overlap anymore. While the bad news is the seams started misaligning, exposing the black background. The reason why the second try failed is, I shifted all seams to the final image while the image will be expanded by 2 pixels in each seam addition. I tried improving this by casting the whole image into a background of the final width. This works well for small expansions like 20%, but larger expansions like 50% will lead to a similar result as the second trial. Also, this method is really slow because I have to loop through the whole image for each seam added. Running a 50% expansion will take me 10 minutes to finish while the first try takes seconds.
So thank you all for listening to my presentation, and thanks Alice from FromTextToSpeech.com who helped me to read the presentation while I code the code. Thank you.